12:24 here on this Friday. Finally a Friday here across the valley. And get out and enjoy the weekend. It's getting hot, sunny, kind of breezy. Still haven't figured out what to do with my hair yet. It's not looking good. It's like that old tennis ball, like you play tennis with it, and then the dog chews on it in a while, and then all the fuzz is kind of sticking out. That's what I look like right now. But yeah, yeah, it'll get better though. Just like the weather will get better sometime. If you don't like the hot weather we've had the last couple days, we've had some record highs the last few days. We should be cooling just a tiny bit over the weekend, but humidity's coming up too. Breezy and humid weather. I think the humidity will be a little higher than it was yesterday afternoon and the afternoon before, so it may be feeling a little more sticky out there. But through the weekend, kind of breezy. I think the winds may get a little gusty at times in the afternoon hours. Small chances of rain could appear mainly toward later Sunday afternoon, evening, night, going into Monday and maybe Tuesday. But as I think I've been saying, emphasis on the small. I think a lot of the rain, if it does form, will be pretty far away from us to the west or north, but a chance something may kind of move into the valley before it totally dies off. Current temperatures are back in the 90s. We're at 90 in Port Isabel, 92 in McAllen, 91 in Rio Grande City, and temperatures easily back in the mid to maybe upper 90s this afternoon. Already feels that hot. When you factor in the humidity, heat index, how hot it feels with the humidity added in, is already around 95 or 96 in a lot of spots. Now the wind speeds we showed you earlier before the commercial break, the breeze is increasing from the south and southeast. You see the wind speeds about 20, 25 miles per hour or so in the lower valley. I think that breeze will be around most of this afternoon and the next couple of days as well. And maybe even be a light breeze overnight if you're out in the evening. Future track winds kind of show this too. If you look at the color shadings, the kind of yellowish, greenish colors there indicate about a 20-mile-per-hour wind speed, and that continues into this evening. Fades away some tonight, but you notice tomorrow it's still fairly breezy again during the daytime. And then even on Sunday, the winds die off a little in the morning, but it does get a little bit breezy at times in the afternoon, especially along the coast. But I think overall, probably out of today, Saturday and Sunday, maybe Saturday could be the breeziest day across the valley coming up. So, you know, not super windy, but I wouldn't be surprised to see those gusts over 30 miles per hour at times. Now, Future Track also shows a lot of sunshine around today. Blue skies, hot temperatures up in the 90s. By tonight, we're still pretty dry and clear. May see some patchy clouds late at night as that humidity increases, so you may wake up to some patchy clouds tomorrow morning, then back into mostly sunny skies by afternoon and kind of breezy. Sunday, again, some clouds in the morning. You notice that Future Track trying to say maybe a sprinkle in the morning. That might be just the humidity that is overplaying a bit, but I think Sunday may be a day with a few more clouds. Maybe by later in the day, you see how we have to watch some storms over in Mexico that could form or to our north up the river. If anything is able to hold together, we might catch a shower or storm coming into parts of the valley Sunday night or again on Monday, but rain chances are still not that great. I mean, it's kind of wait and see mode if anything can survive and hold together if it does form. You see Future Track rainfall, though, all the way through Monday morning doesn't show a lot, very little, if any, rain in the valley, with the bigger rain chances and the rainfall amounts across areas up around the Big Bend and in the mountains of Mexico and to our north. So first 1570 forecast, still probably most days and most places will stay dry. Today and tomorrow, sunny, breezy, and hot. Maybe a few more clouds at times on Saturday, especially on Sunday, but highs come down a few degrees with the added clouds. Highs around 92 over the weekend with lows back in the mid-70s. Our small chance for rain, like I said, about 10 or 20% by Sunday evening and night, and then again on Monday, maybe one or two isolated shower chances could linger into Tuesday, but for most of you, no rain. If you're lucky, you might get a little bit of rain, but keep watching us throughout the weekend. Of course, early next week, those are our only small rain chances, but temperatures stay hot all the way through next week. We'll keep tracking it in your first 1-5 forecast. Dina?